Hey, yo, you don't want to get poked.
Okay, so that one's actually touching the water.
I think the propeller's acting. It's trying to push it through.
That's the fire. It's missing the
So
water.
then switch the red and black and it should reverse.
I feel it's like because of that pink thing that we put down there.
Switch to red and black.
Yeah.
Alright,
Get
hold on.
poked.
Wow, you guys are really floating.
You're adding more? That's gonna change.
Yeah, we're moving.
So that's a
over,
pure
guys.
airboat. You're just,
Yeah.
Sweet. Devin, you want to hold it?
those are cool designs.
Airboat didn't work.
Oh, now you're definitely going backward.
Which is why I said we do not need that pink stuff.
Okay, so we gotta can we modify ours to make it work better?
Sir,
Yeah.
come back here, sir. I want to poke you.
Alright, wait, let's retry this.
But you agree, what's powering your boats right now?
Water.
Water.
Fuel cell.
Through the use of what device?
Fuel cell.
A fuel cell.